Hi everyone, I'm coming on to show you my new desk here. I will give you a more up-close look, but right now look at this. I have all this mess here to clean up. I also wanted to show you my desk protector that I bought for my desk. I also bought that on Wayfair.com and I think I paid like maybe 50 some dollars. It was so much larger than the desk. You don't even know it's on there, but let me show you. Here it is. There's my desk, and then here's the desk protector. I had to have it cut to fit the desk. What I did was I took it to like a hardware store like Ace, and they put it on their machine and cut it. It's kind of like plexiglass, but not really. It's a little bit different. And I couldn't cut it with scissors, and I'm not gonna ask my husband to cut it either because it just wouldn't, be right. But I got a nice square edge, and I had it cut 55 inches by 23 and a half. That is my desk size, so that worked out really well. And this is what it looks like online at Wayfair.com. You can see that it's just showing it on top of a table. It had the rounded corners, and it was actually $51.99. a table protector. I don't know if it's acetone resistant. I think it is to a point. It's better than getting that stuff on the top of my desk. I recently bought another one of these slimline LED table lamps, and they clip on your desk. So you can see that, this tabletop protector will be clamped down with my two lights. I will have one here and I will have one here. And that will hold this protector down, it won't move. Because right now it's sliding around, but that won't, that won't happen once I get that clamped down. If you look there, that is very good for the light to clamp on. You don't want it to be too thick there, or the light won't clamp on. And here's my desk. It's all finished. I've got everything that I need put inside of it. There's my two lights. And do you see I have a small portable lamp under there in that shelf there? And there's also a space over there, but you have to have a real shallow lamp to fit under there. I also have my battery operated one over here to the left. It won't fit in that area there. Have the lights clamped down, cuticle oil and some forms, and a little dust brushes. In this drawer there is brushes, tools, drill bits back there, mask, just cuticle oils and just things that I need when I'm working at my desk. This next drawer down here, I keep my mini shop vac, and it stays in here. And all I do is I just plug it down here when I want to use it, and then I take my tabletop dust fan and I set it up on the desk here, and then I take the hose here and hook it on to my dust fan. So far that seems to work for me. And in this side of the desk, I keep my pink cordless drill in here. I have the white one put away. In this basket here is the charger for this lamp up here, and the charger for the drill, and another little dust brush. And down below here is two tripods and my camera charger cord. It's where I store my camera when it's not in use. I have the blind pulled right now, but yeah, that is my desk. It was bought on Wayfair.com. I bought another one for my computer, and this is my chair that I got to go with it. It's on rollers and it has an adjuster right here for height. I got that on Wayfair too. And I ended up making a fuzzy chair pad for it, and I just put it over here like that. The reason I made this is because You want to make sure that you don't wear any kind of dark blue jeans on anything like this that's white. It's kind of like that vinyl, and because the blue will wear off on it. So I just made this fuzzy little cushion. It's kind of flimsy, just got some quilt batting inside of it, and I just, you know, set it on there like that. And here are the little pads that I use when I do nails. These are used in hospitals too, and also they are used as puppy pads, and you know, they're used for a lot of different things. And they come in white and blue, and there's plastic on the back, so there's no leaking. So if you're using acrylics and you want to keep your desk clean, I get these at Family Dollar, even Walmart has them. I got like 14 in a pack. I think it was like $6 or something like that. And underneath the pad, I have a cutting mat. These cutting mats are all plastic, and they're from the Dollar Tree, and they seem to be pretty well acetone resistant, and so they're in acrylic resistant, because you know how sometimes when you spill acrylic, acrylic will start to melt certain plastics and different things like that, and these really hold up. I just think these are so great for keeping your desk protected. That's my new desk. And if you want to see anything else, like where else I store all my nail goodies and stuff, I have 2 closets here that I can show you if you're interested. I mean, don't want to bore you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.